southwest of Elkton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Middletown, Salem, Delaware City, St. George's, Fort 10, Mount Pleasant, Glasgow, Bear, and Odessa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Newcastle,